living like never before. Enjoy a full life in a beautiful home with your family's safety in mind. Break free from the confines of city living here at One Lancaster Park, your family's home safe home. Hi, my name is Leslie Lazarte, your friendly real estate broker, and for today's video, let me take you to this breakthrough development here in Lancaster, New City, the very first condominium development, the One Lancaster Park. But before we begin, if this is your first time to visit my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be updated on my next videos. Let's go ahead and check out the condominium units here in One Lancaster Park, Imus, Cavite. One Lancaster Park is a 10 hectares residential and commercial condominium development here in Lancaster, New City, Imus, Cavite. One Lancaster Park will compose of 15 mid-rise condominiums or mid-rise towers, and right now we offer Tower 1, which has a completion or turnover date of March 2024. Tower 1 will have 8 floors or 8 stories, and each floor will have 25 units. Now, in Tower 1, we offer two kinds of units. We have the one-bedroom unit, the one where I am in right now. This is the one-bedroom unit. And we have the two-bedroom unit. The one-bedroom unit has a total floor area of 30.25 square meters. And the two-bedroom unit has a floor area of 45.37 square meters. So, samahan po ninyo ako at tayo ay mag-condo tour ng one-bedroom unit here in One Lancaster Park. One Lancaster Park is located here inside Lancaster, New City, Imus, Cavite. Currently, we only have the one-bedroom unit here in the showcase area, but soon magkakaroon na rin po tayo ng two-bedroom unit here in One Lancaster Park. Now, before we enter the one-bedroom unit, let me just give you an idea of what the hallway would look like. This is the sample of the hallway, and our hallway will have a width or meron siyang measurement na 1.5 meters from the main door of your unit to the main door of the opposite unit. So, yan po yung lapad ng ating hallway. Before we enter our unit is secured by an RFID lock set. So, that's one of the safety features of One Lancaster Park is that every unit here in Tower 1 are secured by an RFID lock set. And not only the unit itself, but also the elevators are powered by an RFID. Which means, kung hindi po kayo belong sa isang floor or wala kayong unit doon, hindi po kayo makaka-access sa ibang floors, no? Other than the floor where your unit is located. So, yan po yung one of the security features of One Lancaster Park. Yung ating RFID specific only for your floor and for your unit. Aside from the RFID lock set, Tower 1 here in One Lancaster Park has a standby power generator in case of brownout or outages. At aside from the standby power generator na nag-operate for our elevators, each unit also would have one charging outlet in case of power interruption. So, meron kayong charging port kapag nagkaroon ng brownout. Meron yung nag-ooperate na isang charging port. So, upon entrance to your one-bedroom unit, ang ating pong magiging flooring would be vinyl floor planks with wooden design, and our walls are painted white finish or off-white. No? So, this one-bedroom unit has a 30.25 square meter floor area, and upon entrance, the first thing that you will see is your dining area. So, yung ating dining area is very adequately sized. No? Kasya po dito ang 4-seater dining set, and opposite your dining is your kitchen. Yan. So, napakaganda ng ating kitchen. No? It's not too small and not too big. Tamang-tama lang din po siya. At ang kagandahan po ng ating kitchen is that it comes in complete finish. No? Our kitchen countertop has tiles. Yan. So, we're not yet sure kung granite po ito, but it has tiles. No? And aside from that, our stainless sink and gooseneck faucet are included upon turnover. Yan. So, napakaganda. Diba? So, other than the countertop, ang ating pong IKEA cabinets are also included upon turnover. O, diba? Napakaganda. Yung ating base cabinet, Yan po yung sample, and our overhead cabinets are included kapag na-turnover ang unit. Kasama na po ito sa binayaran po ninyo, no? So, ibig sabihin, makakamenos kayo ng gastos sa pagpapagawa ng mga cabinets, especially for the kitchen area. Ayan, napakaganda. So, moving along, aside from the cabinets that are included, another good thing about owning a unit here in One Lancaster Park is that the cooktop, yung ating 2-burner induction cooktop, is included upon turnover. O, diba, bongga? Kasama na po yung lutuan, guys. Here in One Lancaster Park, we don't recommend or we don't allow stove, yung gasol, but inaalaw po dito is electric or induction. So, kasama na po ito kapag na-turnover, no? Hindi lang po kasama yung kaserola, but yung ating pong induction cooker is included. At hindi lang yan, guys, di ba? Not only that, kasama din po yung ating range hood kapag na-turnover po ang unit sa inyo. So, ano po yung range hood, no? Ito po yung nasa ibabaw ng ating induction. Yan. Ang ating brand is La Germania. It's a very quality and durable Italian brand or Italian cookware, no? Matibay po ito, and it comes included kapag na-turnover na po ang inyong unit. Moving forward, each unit here in One Lancaster Park comes with the provision for washing machine. Yan. So, the washing machine is not included. Yan, hindi po kasama yan. Pero yung provision, no, yung butas, yung paglalagyan po ng washing machine is included. So, ang recommended po na washing machine is the front load, no? Hindi yung top load, but the front load one. So, yan po yung kasama sa ating unit, yung provision for washing machine kapag na-turnover. That's the turnover for our kitchen here in the 1-bedroom unit. Let's go ahead and check out the other side of the kitchen. Yan. So, this area over here is your pantry. So, ang kagandahan po ng 1-bedroom unit is that this tabletop is included. No? Kasama na po ito, and not only that, the cabinets, the overhead, and the base cabinets are included. Ito pong IKEA cabinets are included upon turnover. Yan. Di ba napakaganda kasi wala ka na ipapagawa. And if you're the type who likes to have your coffee every morning, pwede po ninyo itong paglagyan ng inyong coffee maker or lagyan po ng inyong mga grocery, no? So, meron kang working area para sa mga hobbies mo sa buhay, no? And here, you have your overhead cabinets where you can put your utensils, yung inyong mga plates, di ba? And right beside it is the area for your oven, no? Pwede ka maglagay ng microwave oven dyan or an electric oven. Diba? And sa ibaba po ng ating shelf would be the location of your refrigerator. Yan. I have a good news for you guys, no? For the month of August, we have a free 8 cubic feet na inverter refrigerator, no? Kasama po ito kapag na-turnover ang unit. That's for our freebie. Promo po natin ito, di ba? Napakaganda, guys. So, ano pa ba ang kakailanganin nyo? Almost complete na ang unit, di ba? So, tara na at magpa-tripping na po kayo habang may unit pa tayo na 1-bedroom dito sa One Lancaster Park. Dahil paubos na po, no? Ano na lang ba ang kulang, no? Kung kayo po yung type na nag-i-invest or ang plano po ninyo is papaupahan, ipapa-Airbnb ninyo itong unit, this is the very best unit for you, the 1-bedroom unit, because it almost comes complete. Moving forward, this is the actual turnover of our toilet and bath here in the 1-bedroom unit. Our toilet comes in tiled flooring at may tiles na rin yung ating walls. And kasama po ang ating toilet bowl, ating water closet, yung ating bidet, and our complete bathroom fixture. So may shower tayo, may soap holder, yan. And yung ating glass partition, kasama na rin po yan upon turnover, diba? Napakaganda. It's very beautiful. Quality talaga yung ating mga materials na ginamit, diba? And aside from that, not only that, this sink over here at yung cabinet sa ilalim ng sink, this is an IKEA sink. Kasama na po yan. Exact turnover na po ito. Kasama po ito sa turnover. And another good news sa inyo, mga kabahay, no? Yung ating pong toilet toilet and bath, kasama na po yung ating water heater upon turnover. Yan. So, built-in na po yung ating water heater. So, for our buyers who want to have some relaxing time in the shower at pagod po kayo galing sa work, just turn on the heater, diba? At marerelax po talaga kayo. At maganda rin po ito sa ating mga foreign buyers. By the way, guys, since this is a condominium unit, foreigners can own or can buy a condominium unit here in One Lancaster Park. So contact us if you want to invest for 1 bedroom or 2 bedroom unit here in One Lancaster Park. On with our condo tour here in the 1 bedroom unit in One Lancaster Park. Let's go ahead and check out the living area. The living area has an adequate size, ayan, and you can put a 3-seater or 2-seater couch facing your entertainment set. So, pwede ka mag-mount ng TV sa wall. And ang kagandahan po ng ating living area is that you have your very beautiful glass window and you have your glass door leading to your balcony. Yan. So, this is one of the feature of the units here in One Lancaster Park is that malalaki po yung ating mga windows, and at the same time, our windows already comes with blinds upon turnover. Yan. So that's a new update that is included upon turnover. Uniform na yung mga blinds upon turnover sa lahat po ng unit to maintain the uniformity and the beautiful facade of the Tower 1. Ayan. So, malalaki po yung ating mga glass windows which can accommodate good ventilation and good natural light inside the unit. And let's check out the balcony. Yan. So, you have a adequately sized balcony. Yan. It's around 1.5 meters yung lapad po ng ating balcony where you can put a coffee table, diba, para overlooking ka sa greeneries at yung kagandahan ng Lancaster New City. Makikita mo talaga. And at the same time, you can put, kung meron kang air conditioning unit, dyan yung perfect spot para sa outdoor unit ng aircon mo. Ayan. So, yung glass window po natin, nabubuksan po yan. Kung gusto mo lang na natural air, kung ayaw mo nang lagi naka-aircon, gusto mo lang yung natural air na makapasok sa unit mo. Ayan. So, that's the look again. Yan po yung magiging main door natin. And that's your dining. And this is your kitchen. And last but not the least would be the master's bedroom. Ayan. So, napakaganda po ng 1 bedroom unit niyang dito sa One Lancaster Park is because hindi masikip yung mga lugar, yung mga places. Kumbaga, katamtaman at sakto lang din talaga for a startup family or sa mga nagsisimula pa lang or sa mga bachelor na naghahanap ng kanilang sariling lugar. This is a perfect unit for you. Yan. So, for our master's bedroom, yung ating pong size ng bed is queen size, kasya po dito, and also a king size. Kasyang-kasya, wala magiging problema sa sukat, hindi siya masikip. Saktong-sakto lang siya. At isa rin po sa napansin ko na kagandahan ng ating bedroom sa 1 bedroom is that sa may corner, sa kabilang side ng bed is that meron ka pang lalakaran, 'di ba? May iba kasing mga kama na sinasagad na sa wall na kailangan mong hakbangan yung katabi mo para lang makababa ka kung ikaw ay nandun sa kabilang side ng bed. But no, ang kagandahan dito sa 1 bedroom unit is that you can position the bed right almost in the middle at may space ka pang lalakaran on both sides. Ayan. So this is the sample of the wardrobe or the cabinet here in the bedroom. Hindi po kasama yung ating cabinet sa turnover, but you can install it after turnover. So, pwede ka mag-hire ng cabinet maker mo kapag na-turnover na. Diba? So, that's about it for the 1 bedroom unit here in One Lancaster Park. Now, let's talk about the sample computation for the 1 bedroom unit here in One Lancaster Park. Here's the sample computation through bank financing. At ito naman ang computation for Pag-ibig Financing.
Thank you so much for watching my condo tour for the 1 bedroom unit here in One Lancaster Park. Kung kayo po ay interesado at nais po ninyo makita itong 1 bedroom unit, feel free to contact us through our contact form on the description box below. Once again, my name is Leslie Lazarte, your friendly real estate broker, and I will see you on my next condo tour. Bye!